correct me if I am wrong. My
Opo.
impression is the restraining order in this case imposes 3 conditions. Am I
Opo.
right?
Yes po.
Tama po ba yun? At lahat ng kondisyon nito dapat matupad alinsunod sa inyo bago ma-issue ang restraining order. Ganon ho ba? Ganon ba ang pagkaunawa nyo?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's your objection?
Your Honor, we have repeatedly stated that the witness has answered the other questions, but on this question, Your Honor, he is incompetent. He has established that he is a cameraman, and yet the defense counsel keeps asking questions of law.
He's under cross.
We are not supposed to swallow
Mr.
hook, line,
Chairman.
and sinker every statement made by
Sagutin mo kung alam mo. Kung alam mo, pag
Hindi
hindi
po.
mo alam, sabihin mo hindi ko alam. Kung
Hindi
alam
po.
mo, sagutin mo.
Hindi po, alright. Ang
Hindi
ibig
po.
nyo sabihin hindi po, hindi nyo alam ang mga kondisyon
Hindi
ng
po.
pag-issue ng restraining order na yan.
Hindi po.
Meron sinasabi kanina dito, ang abogado ng prosecution, na di umano, yung sinasabing 2 million cash bond, tinamaan noong, tama ba yung salita na? Tinamaan noong video nyo, tama ho ba yun?
Opo.
Alright. Yung 2,000 cash bond na yun, yun ang
2 million.
2 million, I'm sorry. Yun ang kinakailangang maideposito nung yung petitioner doon sa TRO, tama ho ba yun?
Hindi ko po alam.
Ano po ang kahulugan ng pagkakakuha ninyo yung kay Attorney Topacio na di umano nagbabayad ng 2 million pesos bond?
Basta ang alam ko lang po, yun po ay cash bond.
Oho. Para saan po yun sa pagkalam nyo?
Hindi,
Para ibigay sa huwes, ibigay sa...
ang alam ko lang po na ibibigay doon sa cashier ng Supreme Court,
Para
kaya
ano
ko po
po yun?
kinunan.
Para po ano yun sa
Hindi
pagkalam
ko po
nyo?
alam.
O sa hanggang ngayon, hindi nyo alam.
Hindi ko na po alam kung ano.
Yung ibang kondisyon na nakalagay doon, may alam ho ba ninyo o hindi?
Hindi na po.
Sinabi ba nyo kanina na yung restraining order hindi tama ang pagkakapagpatupad dahil yung mga kondisyon hindi nagaganap? Sinabi ho ba ninyo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
Hindi po.
What is the objection?
Same objection, Your Honor, as already stated. And also, he is misleading the witness, and he is asking for an opinion. So many
Let the
objections, Your Honor.
witness answer. He's under cross.
Hindi po.
Hindi nyo sinabi yun?
Hindi po.
So wala kayong kinalaman doon sa mga sinasabing kondisyon?
Wala po.
Alright. Now, ang isa sa kondisyon doon, pagdating nila sa ibang bansa, magre-report sila sa consular office ng gobyerno ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Hindi rin ninyo alam yon?
Hindi po.
Alright. I think that will be all for the witness today, Your Honor. I'll continue, if permitted by this honorable court, I'll continue with my cross tomorrow, Your Honor.
I just recognize the gentleman from San Juan.
Isang katanungan lang po, Ginong Pangulo. Ginong Testigo, yan bang pinakita niyo pong video nakuha ninyo, yan ba ho ay edited na nung ipinalabas dito o unedited?
Hindi po, yes, Your Honor.
Anong hindi po?
Hindi po siya edited. Raw material po siya.
Raw material. So
Opo,
wala
yes.
kayong inedit dyan?
Wala po.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you po, yes, sir.
What is the pleasure of the defense?
Your Honor, please, I'm asking for permission to continue tomorrow, Your Honor, because I have a lot more of cross-examination questions. I have to go with the various documents just presented to me this afternoon, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Your Honor, may we ask that the cross-examination be finished today? The witness has a pending job, and we wish to discharge him immediately as possible.
Can you finish your cross-examination today?
Well, I have to examine the other documents to be able to intelligibly propound my question, Your Honor.
Well, we cannot deprive the defense of his right of cross-examination. So you presented your witness, you completed your direct. It's the turn of the defense to ask him questions, and he could not complete it. So let the witness come back tomorrow when we resume the impeachment trial at 2 o'clock in the afternoon for further cross-examination.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Senator
Just-
Pimentel, Mr. President.
Mr. President, thank you.
The gentleman from Misamis Oriental.
I want to ask Justice Cuevas, Justice, a lot of law students are watching our proceedings and excited to learn.
I hope they learn the correct law.
And they're learning a lot from you, Justice.
thank you.
No? But you know, ito nga, I've noticed that in the course of confronting the witness with a document, you had it marked Exhibit 67 yata. Is that
Correct.
it?
67.
But yeah, although the witness had nothing to do with the document.
That's correct.
So,
Because
for
if
the
it-
benefit of our law students who are watching you, is that the correct procedure?
Very correct. Because how can it be referred to later, Your Honor? If
So-
they will not be marked, they will be useless piece of paper.
So even if the witness did not identify the document or had no part in the document, it is the right time for you to have it marked? Or
Not-
should you not have it marked at the time that you are now presenting your case through your own witnesses?
not the right time, but it is time ripe for identification. Because in so far as documentary exhibits is concerned, we have various stages: identification, marking, and then offer. We are not yet at that point where we are making the offer.
Yes,
Your
sir,
Honor.
that's very clear. But technically, Justice, no, we have been very liberal. No, you have done that actually a couple of times. I think that's the fifth document you've marked with a witness not even being a party to the document. And we have allowed that because this is sui generis. We will be liberal. But for the benefit of our law students who are watching the proceedings, wanting to learn the application of the rules of court to an actual trial, would you say that what you're doing is technically correct?
But very, very correct, Your Honor. Not only technically correct, it's very correct.
May the presiding officer intervene? In a cross-examination, there's a lot of leeway given to the counsel. And there are four techniques of cross-examination: probing, to insinuate, to undermine, and to confront.
Yes.
And I understood, I allowed the question because of my understanding that the document was being used by the cross-examiner to confront the witness.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Those are the
if-
purposes of cross-examination. But
If we may-
on the proper time to mark an exhibit or a document, just for the benefit of especially the law students who are closely watching our proceedings, Justice.
For the better appreciation of the Honorable Senator, Your Honor, the documents that I confronted the witness with today had already been marked as evidence for the prosecution. More
previously.
particularly exhibit 1, 2, 3. Ano ba ito? 8? Monopole U, Your Honor. And the other one is Nonopol T, Your Honor. They had previously been marked.
How about Exhibit 67? I think there was an order to mark it.
It's only a portion. That's only a portion of the exhibits, Your Honor. Of exhibit.
Well, anyway, Justice, it doesn't affect the exhibit marking. I just wanted to highlight that because I've noticed that we have been very liberal, and I have no objection. I want the liberal application of the rules of court, rules of evidence to these proceedings.
May I state for the record that even if we adopt the strictest rule,
Yes, sir.
this will still pass the test of judicial scrutiny.
Thank you, Justice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. President,
Yeah, Jen.
Mr. President,
Yes.
yes,
The majority floor leader.
it was ordered by the presiding officer that the witness will be back tomorrow at 2 o'clock for the continuation of the cross-examination. In the meantime, we may excuse the witness at this
This
point.
witness is
Thank
excused.
you, Mr. Witness.
And then may we ask
Salamat
the
po.
Sergeant at Arms to make an announcement, Mr.
Salamat
President.
po.
The Sergeant at Arms will now make an announcement.
Please all rise. All persons are commanded to remain in their places until the Senate President and the senators have left the session hall.
Majority
I move
floor
that-
leader.
I move that we adjourn until 2 o'clock in the afternoon of Tuesday, February 28, 2012.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the trial is hereby adjourned until 2 o'clock in the afternoon of Tuesday, February 28, 2012.